put locking rocker arm nuts on the engine now.
Polylocks.
I don't know if they're polylocks. They're crane locking nuts. Poly, to me, poly sounds like it's got the plastic on it, but I don't know. Anyway, this is we got about 15 minutes on the motor, and we're going to start her back up. We'll probably run her another 20 minutes or so and vary the RPM just to make sure we're okay. So wish us luck. All right, here we go again. Gonna try to start this sucker, finish our break-in. I think I found the problem was Larry and I didn't have a beer before we started. So we had a beer this time. Sucker should be just fine. Here we go. There we go. Immediate restart.
Turn it on.
It's on. Oh, I like that. Very good. All right, we got a crack of beer. Oh, that sounded good. We're toasting a successful engine start. Woo! Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage over here in Mike's Magic Garage. I keep forgetting that we used to call this Mike's Magic Garage because magical things happen. And today a very magical thing happened. We got this 454 started up for the first time. And I'm sure you'll note that we have some parts on there like a high energy ignition. We have different exhaust manifolds on it. We've got a start box on it, got a different alternator on it. But we do have the manifold we're going to use, the carburetor we're going to use, and we had a successful break-in today. Very, very, very happy. We had a few ups and downs as we went along. We had a rocker arm that came loose on our initial startup, but we put, Larry likes to call them poly locks. We changed out all the rocker arms to locking style nuts, so we're good there. And the next thing for this motor, and it starts right up. I mean it idles down to 650 RPM, and we're very, very, very happy with how this motor is running. revs up really nice. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this HEI unit out. We're going to put an original point style distributor back down in it. We're going to start it up again, make sure we don't have any problems there. And then we'll start basically dismantling things again to get the right exhaust manifolds on it, touch up some paint. We got to get the right finish on the intake manifold. I don't know. That's about it. What do you say, Uncle Larry?
Oh, lucky day.
Lucky day. We've already popped a few beers, if you can't tell. I'm very happy. We're celebrating. Mike took Kathy out to dinner to celebrate, so we're kind of left out in the garage right now, but we're happy about it. So, I mean, this is a solid lifter motor. From what we've heard, they're very challenging to start up because you don't know when you're going to lose a camshaft, but I mean, we took all the proper lubricating ideas out there you could. We've got high zinc oil in it. We lubricated the motor quite a bit before by running the oil pump. What else? We shot oil before we started up. We shot oil down the rocker arms. I mean, we oiled the crap out of this thing. And like I say, we had a very, very successful engine run-in. Yeah, we had our ups and downs. We had oil leaks here and there that we had to take care of, but nothing that we couldn't kind of overcome. And I gotta thank all our ghosts out there that were in the garage, kind of pushing us along. Rick Hurling has been out. He was out here many times to start our engines up with us.
Jimmy Petrello, he's up there too.
He's up there watching and laughing at us and throwing us curveballs all the time. Yeah, just a lot of people I know that watch over us to make sure we're safe. And fortunately, we didn't have any problems safety-wise. You know, everything went A-OK. We called up our buddy Dan Bassick and celebrated with him today in Chicago. I know he's a big Chevelle guy. And,
Van Hurst.
Van Hurst.
Talk to us.
Hey, we called Van Hurst today. We wanted to celebrate with him too, but I tell you, everything's going good. The only thing we're running out of is fuel. We run through almost 5 gallons of fuel. I think about 4 gallons. We got about a gallon left. I don't know. That's about it. I'll take it. I'll take a chance. I'll take a chance and see if it starts back up.
I'm gonna play the lottery on the way home.
Everything's pretty cool right now. That's our ignition box. I'll give it a little squirt of fuel. Yeah. And I gotta tell you, that's the first time this thing really did what we wanted to on camera. We had, like I said, we had our ups and downs, but this is Mark Meldrum. This is Larry Robinson. Mike Ely's Magic Barn. See ya.